Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick unboxing of my deep water culture hydroponic kit. I've never grown hydroponically before, so I just felt a little more comfortable buying everything in a kit. So let's take a quick look. I bought a lid with 4 small holes instead of 1 large because I'm going to be growing mostly herbs and lettuces. And these are the mesh pots that come with it. They fit right inside the lid. Obviously one goes in each opening. The bucket is pretty much a 5-gallon bucket, and I believe the blue thing on the side is in order to drain the water when you have to change the nutrients. It comes with some tubing that connects to the air pump and the air stone. I'm not really sure what that little red plastic thing is. Unfortunately, the unit didn't come with any directions. This is a pH test kit. This is the air pump, and this is the where you sow your seeds. You get 8, 4 in each packet, and this is the aggregate. I think it's some kind of a clay. It's very lightweight, similar to perlite, but much larger. And so that's pretty much the unboxing. Again, unfortunately, it didn't come with any directions. I'm not very happy about that. So I'm going to stop, go on the internet, and see how everything gets put together, and I'll come back and show you how I got it set up. So I'll see you then. Okay, I did some research, and the 2 basic options were drilling a hole in the top of the bucket or on the side, so I opted to drill the hole in the side. I put the lid on to make sure the pots didn't interfere with the tubing and vice versa. Then I just took a regular drill and drilled a hole in there, threaded the tubing through the hole, and attached the air stone to the end of the tubing. The other end of the tubing attaches to the air pump. And that red plastic thing that I wasn't sure of is an anti-siphon valve. If you're using this particular unit, the pointy part goes towards the bucket, but if you're not sure, just blow into it because the air only goes in one way. I did a basic pH test, and it's very simple. You just put water into the first line, add 5 drops of the pH test solution, then compare your results to the package. My water is slightly alkaline at 6.5, but I'm just going to leave it there and see what happens. The growing plugs go into the various pots, and they are surrounded by aggregates. They go into the bucket, and the water level goes up to roughly the bottom of the pots. And I've already started my seeds. I'm using a mixture of Jiffy Peat pellets along with the plugs that came with the unit, just because I'm curious to see which one works better than the other. They are going in the basement tentatively under CFL lights, 1 cool blue and 1 warm red. I'm not 100% sure yet. And I'm going to make this a part 1 because it's going to be a while before I can have some plans to show you how the unit itself works. So I'm going to do the unboxing as part 1, and it'll probably take me 3-4 months before I can show you how the unit itself works. So I hope this unboxing helped, and thanks for watching.